Effective people are the key to a successful business, and your people need the right tools. One of the most important tools is software. It amplifies the impact of your people and helps them answer day-to-day questions, so you can make informed decisions with confidence. Choosing the right business-critical solution for your company is one of the most complex decisions you and your business face. It's a decision that involves change and risk and affects everyone. Every job, every department, every process. Will the new solution help people be more effective, to do their best? Will it be easy to use? You want software that adapts to how your people work, software that's flexible enough to fit with your processes. Even more, you want software that adapts to tomorrow's needs as well as today's. You choose Microsoft Dynamics. Microsoft Dynamics works the way you and your people would expect. It's designed to be as easy to use as familiar Microsoft Office programs, so your people can get up and running quickly and focus on what's most important. It's designed to integrate smoothly with current Microsoft systems, streamlining processes and workflow. Microsoft Dynamics is a line of adaptable business management solutions that brings together people, processes, and technologies to fuel the productivity of your business. Your financial, supply chain, and CRM processes become fully automated and accessible, enabling you and your people to be immensely effective, which is vital to drive business success. Reliable information and dependable processes mean you can respond to the changing demands of your business and make decisions with greater confidence. Microsoft Dynamics, a decision that unleashes the power of your people and your business.